Magko-compare tayo ng dalawang barbecue marinade sauce. Yan, isang Mamasita barbecue marinade, isang Del Monte quick and easy barbecue marinade. So here, compare natin. So this one is a Del Monte. Open up. Let's pour it. There. Then the other one is the Mamasita. So their consistency is almost the same. Ang Mamasita is medyo matoyo ang amoy. The Del Monte is you can pretty much smell na mas maketchup siya. So with the Mamasita, brownish, and with the Del Monte, brownish din pero mas red siya ng konti. So you can smell. So for us to test, syempre, marinate tayo ng chicken. Okay. I have a whole chicken here. Pero ang mamarinate ko lang is yung dalawang breast part, yung dalawang thigh part. Kasi usually ang breast, ginagawa ko yung chicken fingers or cordon bleu. Yan ang mga gusto na mga anak ko. There we go. Okay. Tanggalin natin itong taba. There. Cut the breast in half. Siguro sama na rin natin yung wing para hindi naman malungkot si breast. So you have 2 breasts, 2 wings. Okay. Now, kung magmamarinade ako, ilalagay ko sila sa isang plastic container. Lagyan natin ito dito para hindi sayang. Ang ginagawa ko is dagdagan pa ng konti para masubmerge siya ng buo. Nilarap ko tong plastic. Tinatanggal ko lahat ng hangin para masubmerge ng gusto yung chicken or kung yung meat or whatever man yung that's Mamasita. And the other one is yung Del Monte. Kasi yung Del Monte mas thick ng konti compared sa Mamasita. There. Bit more. Yeah, and then tatanggalin ko yung hangin para sumasubmerge yung chicken. Then tatali natin ito. Yeah. Marinate natin yan overnight, Mamasita. Mamasita Del Monte, label natin. Then let's leave this in the ref overnight. Then pagbalik natin, luluto natin sa oven. Okay. After I snap my fingers, ready to cook na siya. Okay. It's been 24 hours. It's been 24 hours and 2 days. Okay. So, ito na. Nato na po ang ating chicken. So, D, this is the Del Monte. And M, this is the Mang Inasal. Yan. Bibake na po natin. Gusto ko sana grilled sa uling, pero wala, tinanghali na isa. Okay. I-grease ko ng konti yung pan. By grease, meaning I'll put oil para hindi masyadong madikit yung chicken. So this is basically yung pan, yung baking pan na binalutan ko lang ng Reynolds wrap. Okay. Should be good. So that's one leg. One wing. Then on the right side naman is the Mamasita. If you notice, itong Mamasita mas nakapag-penetrate yata siya. Same lang, same. It's the same. Yeah. Chicken. Ito, na-penetrate na niya yung outer skin. Then, the Del Monte is the same. So, nakapag-preheat na ako ng oven. 200 degrees, more or less. Lagay natin yan. There we go. Then, set natin for 15 minutes on one side. Okay. Then after 15 minutes, babalik ta rin ko siya for another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. So again, Del Monte, Mamasita. Sige, tignan natin pag naluto. Hi! Okay, here's the 2 chickens. This is the Del Monte. And here, Mamasita. So we do a smell test. Okay. Yeah, the Mamasita smells like kung ano yung smell nung sauce, nung marinade, parang mas ano siya, mas matoyo. So we'll ask our kid here to do a taste test. Here, taste test.
I'm gonna go with it.
Taste test, Jade.
I'm gonna go with it.
Okay.
I don't want hot chicken. I don't want burning hot chicken. I don't want to burn my mouth.
It's okay. Give me your fork. So here is the Mamasita. So can you try it? Blow it first, it's hot. Okay. So how is it? You can see it. It's yummy. Then how about this one? So how do you... Finish the one in your mouth first.
Wait, I didn't rate the one that was in my mouth. I rate that a 10 out of 10.
Okay. The Mamacita is a 10 out of 10. And how do you rate that one?
1.5 out of 10.
So you like the Mamacita better?
Yeah.
Why?
This just tastes better.
Okay. For my kid, it's the Mamacita. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and taste. So the Mamacita, kind of sweet. Like what I said, is a bit more toyo, but it tastes like mang inasal. No, it tastes like the lechong manok. Yeah.
I have no idea which one you were talking about because I have no idea which one you were talking about.
Okay, now we taste the Del Monte. Ay!
Oh, the Mamacitas.
Let's taste the Del Monte. The Del Monte is more barbecue. Tastes more like a barbecue. My mom's hungry now. Okay.
You mean your wife?
Yeah, my wife. Okay, there we go. So, parehas po masarap. Parehas barbecue. Parehas madali gamitin. Kasi wala ka ng timpla-timpla. Bubuhos mo na lang, mamarinate. Pasok sa oven. May lunch na kayo. So, the Mamacita is more soy sauce. Parang mang-inasal lechong manok style. The Del Monte quick and easy barbecue is more of,
This one is good.
yeah,
Let's cook this one.
yung regular barbecue na yung maketchup, yung may ketchup, matamis-tamis. Right, there we go. Thank you very much. Salamat po. Please like and subscribe para we can have more videos. Time to eat lunch. Daddy Husband signing off.